I know you want to join the fire. Just keep on pushing my limits. Let's go. Let's play high school. Me and my boo. It's like the way to you and then you go baby, it's your baby, it's your world. I give you the keys to my soul. It's melody, baby, I know. Came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas 'cause he never got his papers. Gave up on love, fucking with them heartbreakers, but he was getting money with the movies.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Wolfie here and I'm back with a brand new video. Alright, today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on how to get your own heart-shaped bun. So I'm going to show you guys how I did mine. Okay. I'm going to show you guys how I did mine today. I'm also going to show you guys how to make your own DIY sock bun donut, and we're going to learn how to do a heart part so we can get the heart in our bun. Y'all, my hair is literally a little bit over my shoulder, so this is short hair girl friendly. I went in and pulled out my bangs, curled them. I also did my sideburns, but I ended up just pulling them back behind my ear and also doing my edges, of course. I also curled all the left leave out that was from my bun, just so it could look a little bit more presentable. Let's get into the video. Just remember to follow me on all my socials right here. And also, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe because we're bringing in the heat this year. You know the gang is lit. So we gotta bring in the heat this year. And go ahead, join the gang because it's nothing but love here, baby. I guarantee it. You're gonna love it here. You're gonna love it here, okay? Also, y'all, make sure you comment down below any more ideas that you guys want, how y'all feel about the hairstyle, blah, blah, blah. Just let your girl know. Just let your girl know. Hey, y'all. So right here, I have my hair already washed, blowed out, and flat iron. These are the two products I use every time I do a blowout. Very great. Get them at Sally's if you can. I'm gonna go ahead and just see where I want to have my bun. I want it to have like a mid-high bun. Okay, now we're going to get into the tutorial how to make your own heart donut for your bun. So I'm going to take a sock. This is more of a thicker sock and it's smaller. I'm going to cut out the toe part. This type of sock is more for people with thicker hair or longer hair because it's a thick sock, so it takes up most of the hair that you have. When you're done cutting it, just roll it up into a donut and stretch it out so it can form better. Then I use a thinner sock, a longer sock for people with shorter hair. This is what I'm using today. So I'm going to be cutting off the toe part again and rolling it up into a donut. As you can see, now I'm going to take my rubber bands and we're going to start forming the heart. So you can just fold the donut in half and then go ahead and wrap around the rubber band on one side. Basically kind of make a corner of it. And go ahead and wrap that around. Then afterwards, you're going to take another corner of the bun of the donut and wrap that around as well, so you can make two small little sections on the part, and it's going to look like a Mickey Mouse head, but believe me, it forms a heart shape for your hair. So I'm going ahead and taking out some leave out. I'm doing side bangs and two bangs in the front. I'm just sectioning them out. I'm now going to split my hair in half. I'm going to put the top part in the bun, and then I'm going to work on the bottom section. So I'm using Pro brown gel and Got To Be glue spray for my gel today and my hairspray. I'm going to use those two, and I'm going to start applying it on the back of my head and brushing upward so I can form a slick bun or a ponytail at first so it can look sleek and neat as well. And I'm going to keep spraying Got To Be glue spray just so it can stay in its place. And I'm going to put it in a ponytail. Okay, yep. And this is what it's going to look like. Then I'm going to use a blow dryer just to make sure that my hair stays in that place and locks in. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the same process that I did on the top half. I'm going to go ahead and brush my hair in place. Use brown gel and the Got To Be glue spray to make sure that it stays in place with the gel, makes it sleek and neat. Then I'll put it in a ponytail as well. Then I'll combine both the ponytails together so I can form the bun that I need to. Okay, I'm just going to keep slicking it down and blow drying it until it's where I want it to be. And then I'm going to apply a scarf at the end, but see how sleek and nice it looks. That's exactly what we want. So now we're going to take the heart donut and you're going to open the middle part of it and put your hair right through it, okay? Once you do that, you want to make sure your hair is spread out through the whole entire donut and make sure that it's flat on it. Once you do that, you can apply a rubber band on it and basically just apply it like it's a regular bun. And I have some leave out. I'm going to be using my IC Fantasia heat protectant to do my leave out, my bangs, and my side bangs right here. And also the leave out that I have for my heart bun. I'm just going to be curling my hair with my flat iron. My flat iron now is usually between 350 and 419. I try my best not to be at 400 all the time, but what we got to do, we got to do. So I'm also curling all the leave out in my heart part. I'm curling my bangs again and my side bangs. And then I'm going to do my edges as well. This is the edge control that I use, y'all. It is so bomb. If you know, you know. Sweetie's Kiss Edge Control is just the best, okay? And this is the final reveal, y'all. It's a very simple look. Takes a little bit, like a little 30-minute thing, but I just made it into a really quick tutorial. I'm so sorry that I'm like somewhat in and out of the frame, but trust me, this works wonders. I love this hairstyle. It's for Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys do have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone as well. So yeah. Alright, y'all, this is the finished look. I went ahead and did my makeup, as you guys can see, but I'm actually really happy with this hairstyle. Very easy, honestly. I'm only having this in for Valentine's Day, but thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you liked it, remember to like it and give me a thumbs up below. Also comment if you want to see specific hairstyles or me try out any type of hair as well, guys. Also stay tuned for my hair company, y'all. I found my vendor, so I'm very excited to be launching soon this year to show y'all what some bomb raw hair looks like literally, okay? All right, also remember again to follow me on my socials, and I will see you guys later. We'll be out. Bye.